Hey, what's up? So today in this video, we're going to look at how you can cut clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is 2020. I don't think it makes much of a difference in different versions. Should be more or less the same. But there's two ways we can do it. So we're just going to make this simple video. So these are the clips we have here. I was making some kind of video before. So for example, if I wanted to cut something over here, you can either go on your keyboard and press Control and K. And as you can see, it cuts it there. If you want to undo that, you can press Control and Z. So again, you can press Control and K. We can scroll over to this clip, for example. Press Control K, Control Z to undo it. You're also able to do it with this thing, the razor tool. So just like that. Very, very simple. So those are basically the two ways that you would be able to what happened to my mouse? So these are the two ways that you'd be able to cut your tracks. Same thing, Control Z if you want to undo it. So those are the two ways to split it. And that is pretty much it, man. I'm gonna make another video showing you guys how you can add like transitions and like those kind of effects. But I wanted to start off with this one. So hope that helps you guys out. And I'll see you in the next video.